Peugeot made a coupe. Not a coupe in the traditional sense, but a fastback crossover that sits so low and looks so aggressive. It makes you question why anyone still buys a normal sedan. This is the 2026 Peugeot 408 GT exclusive, and it might be the most misunderstood car in Europe right now. See, everyone looks at this thing and assumes it is just another compact SUV trying too hard. They are wrong. What Peugeot actually built is something far more interesting. A plug-in hybrid with 225 horsepower, 64 kilometers of pure electric range, and a design language that looks like it came from 2030. Walk around this thing. 20-inch alloys fill the arches perfectly. The frameless grille with vertical LED fangs creates a face impossible to ignore. And this roofline slopes so dramatically that from the rear, you would swear you were looking at a sports car. The 408 is longer than a 308 but sits lower than most crossovers. Now step inside, because this is where Peugeot went completely off script. The i-Cockpit. You have heard about it, but experiencing it is something else entirely. A tiny steering wheel positioned below a 10-inch digital instrument cluster that floats above the dashboard. Your eyes stay on the road. Your hands grip a wheel that responds like a go-kart. It feels strange for the first 5 minutes. Then it feels genius. The 10-inch central touchscreen runs Peugeot's latest software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Below that, piano key toggle switches control the climate, physical buttons, no buried menus. The GT exclusive adds Alcantara and leather upholstery, heated front seats, and ambient lighting wrapping the entire cabin. Build quality has taken a massive leap. Soft touch materials everywhere, tight panel gaps. This interior genuinely competes with German rivals costing 10,000 euros more. Rear seat space is surprisingly generous for that dramatic roofline. Headroom is tight if you are over 1.80 m, but legroom is more than acceptable. The boot offers 536 liters with the seats up. That is intentional. Peugeot wanted something that drives like a hatchback, but commands attention like a GT car. Pop the hood, and here's where the investigation gets interesting. You are looking at a 1.6-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder working alongside an electric motor. Combined, they push out 225 horsepower and 360 Nm of torque. 0 to 100 takes 7.9 seconds. Not supercar territory, but here is what matters. The 12.4 kWh battery means most daily commutes happen in complete silence. No fuel burned, no emissions. Just pure electric power up to 135 km per hour. The EDCS-7 transmission is a 7-speed dual-clutch unit with the electric motor integrated directly into the gearbox. Shifts happen in milliseconds. And in sport mode, this powertrain wakes up in ways you would never expect from a plug-in hybrid. That undercuts most traditional sedans. Now the question everyone asks, what does all this cost? The 2026 Peugeot 408 GT exclusive plug-in hybrid starts at approximately 52,000 euros. That puts it directly against the Volkswagen Tiguan eHybrid and Toyota CHR plug-in. But neither of those looks like this. Neither of those has this interior. And neither of those makes the same statement when you pull up somewhere. Is it perfect? The infotainment can lag occasionally. The rear visibility through that sloping glass takes adjustment. But these are trade-offs for something genuinely different. The 408 is not trying to be everything for everyone. It is trying to prove that practical cars can still make your heart beat faster. And honestly, it succeeds. If you want a car that blends into traffic, buy something else. But if you want something that makes people stare while you commute on pure electricity, the Peugeot 408 might be exactly what you have been waiting for. Speaking of waiting, the next car from this motor show will shock you. Make sure you subscribe so you do not miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.